Amson presents the American Ocean, Part 2. Follow us on the web at AmericanSpeakingEnglish.info. Let's dive in. In our last O segment, we explained that the O sound in American English has an ah sound, the basic. That's the basic O sound. The O has 4 sounds. Short O, ah. Long O, o. Double O, oo, as in moon. And the other double O, as in book. Short O, ah. Long O. Double O, oo, moon. And the other double O, book. Ah, o, oo, ah, o, oo, With a few exceptions. The O also can have aw sound, as in coffee, Boston, loss. Let's do that one more time. Coffee, Boston, loss. I like that. I want to do that again. Coffee, Boston, loss. Folks go by the British O sound so much that we forget the American O sound is very different from that of the British aw sound. Plus, the Brits have a monopoly over ESL education, and their O sound becomes the default aw sound in textbooks, videos, and English teaching globally. But we're gonna put that to rest. We're gonna put an end to that. O, ah. Basic short sound of O, ah. Fox, mop, drop, box, top, slop, rock, flop, crop, lock, clop, slob. Let's do that one more time. Repeat with me. Fox, mop, drop, box, top, slop, rock, flop, crop, lock, clop, slob. Good job. Let's do a few more words. Toddler, adopt, box, body, don, fob, jog, mom, knock, hop, knob, rob, gob, snob, job, lobby, cot, snot, got, rotten, the Bronx. Got it yet? Basic O sound. Ah. Let's do a short read-along story. Tommy saw a fox pick the lock in the lobby of the tower he lived in, while of course standing on top of a box. The fox, of course, Tommy approached the fox and told him to stop what he was doing. The fox didn't stop picking the lock, so Tommy had to obviously call the cops to get the fox to stop picking the lock. Before the cops came, the fox ran away with the lock in hand, and Tommy was relieved that the fox would not come back to pick the lock. The end. Tune in next time for our short sound, you. Thank you.